Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is the 2017 Ram Express Quad Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number B9924A. 52,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Ram brand new. Maximum steel metallic in color. You do receive the Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler's exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. This Ram seats 6, cloth interior. The seat bottom flips up for additional cargo space. Matching fiberglass cap. The Ram is very unique and is the only pickup truck on the market to have rear coil springs instead of leaf springs, giving you the best quality ride without sacrificing towing or hauling capacity. Locking tailgate and trailering package. Very clean, as you can see. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This Express has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, 8-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter and shift on the fly 4-wheel drive. Easy to operate radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And compass display. Heating and air conditioning. Cup holders and storage in the center console. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those media devices. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Ram has a 5.7-liter Hemi V8, 395 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway, and approximately 65% of tire tread left. For more information on this Ram, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.